Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to boot your computer faster and the performance of your computer will be boosted guys. In this video I'll be sharing few tips to it guys. For that, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Select the startup tab, and in here make sure you just disabled all unwanted application. Turn it off guys. You just should not turn it off this Windows security guys, like this audio or anything like that. You just don't turn it off. You just need to turn it off. For example, a big game launcher or Steam, like that applications, you just want to turn it off, or a Microsoft Edge or a Chrome browser or anything like that. It's or C cleaner like that. You just after getting start up, you just want to manually start it up guys. If anything is starting in booting up, that will be getting slow your PC to slow down guys. For that, make sure about it. You just disabled all the unwanted things in here. After doing it, close out of here and go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and just need to select the power option, and on left side you just need to select choose what the power button does, and in here select change settings that are currently unavailable. In under shutdown settings you will be getting faster boot. You just want to check mark that option and select save changes guys. I'm not getting it. You will be getting that faster boot, and you just want to check mark it and select save changes, and after doing it, close out of here. So slow computer could be cache as well guys, the junk files as well. It will also make slow your device. Just clean up. Let's clean up guys. For that, go to search menu and type disk cleanup, disk. Open it guys. Select the cleanup system files. Wait for it calculating. You just want to check mark all these items in here guys. Everything you just want to check mark it. I am getting 4.92 GB of disk space on C drive. This is everything all junk guys, junk folders only. There is a description given below. Windows keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows Update guys. Don't panic of deleting it. Even after installing newer version of updates, Windows Update cleanup deletes or compresses old version of Windows Update. Just want to delete all these. Don't be panic of deleting it. That's just a copy of Windows Update before update guys. Just want to delete all these files. So this cleanup is to free up 4.92 GB. You will be getting more than 10 GB or like that. I'm just doing only 1 month, and after 1 month I will be doing it. That's why I'm getting 4.92 GB. You will be getting more than like that. After selected all, check mark here and select OK. Click delete files. Don't be panic of deleting the files guys. This cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Don't be panic of it. Wait for it guys until this is done. After getting done guys, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security. Open it guys, Windows security. And in Windows security you just need to select the virus threat protection and select the quick scan. So this will remove all kind of bugs in your computer guys, that will be scanned on removed from your device. just start it. You just need to start it, and after just minimize it guys, it will be run in background. This will take few minutes to complete it. After that you just need to go to Google Chrome guys, web browser. Select the three dot icon, select extensions and select manage extensions, and in here in this page you just want to remove all the unwanted extensions. Just click on it and select remove guys. So if you just added before, you just used one time and now you no longer need anymore, you just want to remove it. So this will increase your browser performance, will be increased guys after doing this. And after that click on three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side you just need to select the reset settings guys. Select the restore settings to their original defaults, and so this will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other some temporary site data. Bookmarks, histories and saved passwords won't it be affected. Don't be panic of it, that will be getting deleted. That's not going to get deleted guys. Select reset settings. After getting done guys, close out of here. Now we are going to increase the performance of Microsoft Edge. So some people will be using Google Chrome or some people will be using Microsoft Edge. Open up Microsoft Edge, the video for you guys I'm making. Click on the three dot icon. Select the three dot icon and select extension. Select manage extension. In here you just want to do the same thing. If anything unwanted listed over here, you just want to click on remove and remove it guys. After removing it, click on three dot icon again and select settings. On left side select the reset settings guys. Restore settings to their original values, select it, and this will reset your status, startups page, new tab page, search engine and pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorite history and saved password will not be deleted guys, not be cleared up. Don't be panic of it, that will be getting deleted. That's not going to be get deleted guys. Select reset, and after getting done you will be seeing that the Microsoft Edge performance has been increased. After getting done, close out of here, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it, select the check for updates, and if anything listed over here guys, we just want to download and install guys. So this is the last thing in my video. Somebody will think what will be happen of updating these. This is the problem guys, you are facing it. You just want to download and install the latest version, that will be speed up your PC guys. And after getting done installing and download and installing, minimize it. After getting down, close out of here guys, sorry about it, and go to start menu and restart your PC guys. You will restart. After getting restart your computer, and you be notice that your device performance has been increased. Hit the like button and gives me a good comment, and I'll be happy making this video guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.